Today our topic is personal qualities of a teacher. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. The teachers in Islam were not only responsible for the educational activities of the students but also for the valuation of the their moral teachers and for bringing them into contact with the eternal varieties of life. Because a teacher was to present himself as an ideal before a student, it was obligatory on him to be more normally approachable, maybe may an embodiment of the virtue. What qualities of the teacher must possess have been discussed at the length by great educators like Imam Ghazali, Ibn Jama, Zarnoji, and several other philosophers. Some of the indispensable qualities of the teacher were and are fear of God. The teacher should, whether in public or private, fear God. All his actions should be a testimony to the fact that he is good fearing, for he is the custodian of the trust that God has entrusted to him. God says, O you who believe, be not unfaithful to Allah and opposite, nor be unfaithful to your trust, while we know dignity of the solemnity. The teacher should always be dignified, and his demeanor should be solemn. Imam Shafi says that mere cramming up certain pieces of information is not knowledge of knowledge. It is necessary to have seriousness, dignity, modesty, and the submissive oneness and the devotion to God. Imam Malik once advised Harun Rashid that if he is acquired knowledge, he should have the characteristic of knowledge also, with dignity, solemnity, and the tolerance. Imam Malik advised Quran thus because the Prophet has fed the learned men, they are successor to the apostle of God. The Caliph Omar also exhorts Muslims to the accurate knowledge and have the dignity and solemnity with it. It is the dignity important of the teacher that inculcates a respect for learning and knowledge, and the truth of this dictum is hardly accessible, and the flippancy of the modern teacher in his department is sadly reflected in the behavior of the people of the disrespect and even contempt that he exhibited by them of our knowledge. One of the causes of student indiscipline these days can easily be traced to the teacher's undignified behavior and to be his being too cheap with them. That's it for today. Come back in next video.